So technically, I would have been out right here if we were to go off the 15. So it would have been okay, right? Then we go back to the 1. And now look what the end of the look what the end of the day would have been. Short, right? Not end of the day. The end of results. Down $800. Well, I would have did 6 because it's a 150K account. Stop loss is always behind the cloud when the candle closes. TP, you could have started scaling out already. All right, we got our way oversold, so I would have took out maybe 4. Taken this, brought it down. Look, and we're still going. I probably would have called the wraps right here. It was hard. It could have been easy, Noah, but I fucked it up. This is NASDAQ. So this is what should have happened today. This is what should have happened today. And we easily would have been up this entire thing, right? Now we continue. Still going. All right. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, are we going to reverse? Nope. Short. We would have got in here. Pretend I got in here. I don't feel like reversing, guys. Okay. Could have took out 2. Stop loss is behind the cloud. You could even probably put it behind the fair value you really wanted to. Another short. If you really want to if you think it's strong, you can add into it. So right here, I would have got out. Okay, so got $100, kind of gave it back. Hey, how are you making money while it's going down? What's that called? What do you mean, bro? This is futures trading. If you don't know anything about futures or trading stocks, then join my Discord and go to beginner knowledge. All right. So you see how we just made all that fucking money if we would have just took this loss here. The problem is soul collectors, this right here, sometimes it'll sweep just a little bit more, and then rip to the fucking moon. Okay, we'll keep going. This is how the day should have played out. Now, once it goes above, this is your choice if you want to get back in. This is more of a warning shot. This huge downwards is huge, right? So we're not sure yet. Maybe I want to wait. Let's just wait, okay? It went above the cloud. Now we're back down. Let's just see what it is. We're at our Bullies Bears bounce zone here. We're on Bully Bears bounce here. Let's see how it reacts here. Oh, look. It's rejecting. Doesn't mean you have to trade it. It's just an indication, hey, this is why we're struggling here. All right, we got our second short here. Let's try it. We're in 4. Stop loss right behind the cloud a little bit. You could probably make that a little bit tighter. Let's see what happens. More shorts. We enter a little more. We bring it down. We're oversold. Let's take some out. All right. We're above. I'm sorry, guys. I'll answer your questions in a minute. Thanks, Bob, for filling in for me there. So, what happens? We got stopped out right here. Completely minimized that loss, right? There's some people holding this shit right now. You don't want to hold it. This is how my day would have been. I would have actually bought that. And then I probably would have aimed for I probably would have did half out here because it looked really strong, right? Okay, so I got out half. You can make this super fucking tight if you want. Right behind the fair value gap. Oh, look at that. Keeps going. Now, it did go to orange. Your choice. You can hold it. We'll close it for 144. Damn, it's I wanted to get in right here. You guys would have saw. Would have got in probably like another $200 there. Now, it doesn't repaint. It just waits for the candle to close. Okay. So we're still above the cloud. Get in 6. We're going to see if we squeeze through this baby. See, that would have got me out. All right. So now it's unstable. Sit on your hands. Sit on your hands for a bit. Now it's just really choppy. It's after 12 o'clock. We're not going to get in unless we see like 2 or 3. Oh, these look good, but you got to be careful because they're already overbought.
Is that you?
All right, we had a big one there. Let's just pretend I didn't know what I was doing. Keep holding it. Oh, look, another buy. Oh, this looks grindy as fuck, right? Let's take some out though. Still above the cloud. All right, we closed below it. Just did a $12 loss, but we made over $200 right here. All right, we got a short. It's after 11, so we got to wait for more confirmation here. If we got another short below this, then we can go again. Okay, let's see what happens. It's already oversold, so we have to be careful. Market's just really fucking choppy. Let's just sit on our hands. How about we just let it go for a little bit? Let's see what happens. Really choppy, right? All right, we got our buy signal here, but look, we got a reversal. You can get in or you can wait. Totally up to you, but we got a ranker, right? Now I have a 150K count, so I'm gonna go up to 12. Pretend I did whatever. My take profit will be here. We'll do that for right now. Let's see what happens. This is where I got to figure out my stop loss. Okay, we're below the cloud, right? We're below it now. So let's bring this bad boy down. We're still aiming for the 150. Boom, bang, got it. Right? We do get a short. We don't take the first one because it's later on in the day. It's 2 o'clock. If we get another one, would have been a really good one though, right? All right. So this one looks good. But it's already oversold, so I'm kind of like fucking scared. You know, sometimes you might get antsy. Let's just go a little bit. How about that? Let's change the game up a little bit. Let's go in smaller. We don't have to go in monster, right? Didn't close above yet. Got another short. Let's enter another one. Fuck it. You know, that rejected really well. Another short. I'm not gonna add too much in. Oof, came right back up. We can risk it for the biscuit, or maybe we can say, hey, let's minimize our risk here. We're so close to going above. We might have even went above. Maybe I cheated a little bit up. All right, I'm gonna lose 25 bucks on that trade after I made the 100. Now we'll keep going. It is now 14 o'clock, which is 2. Got 2 buys, right? Second buy. Maybe we'll start drawing a little bit. Looks kind of strong, right? Uptrend. Let's fucking go. I sized way too high in this, though. What a fucking dumbass. I lost 400. See? Can't size too high. Went below. No good. It's telling you the market's no good. Oh, look. We just got a soul collector. This is where we actually got in here. Because it looks so strong. But we have to be what? Cautious because of the soul collectors that appeared. Oh, damn. I'm going to take that. 234. Already oversold. Let's see. We got a ranker, right? This is where I go in. 12. Now, I usually do at least 20 points above to say I'm done. Like, hey, I'm wrong. So, it would be like 70, 80. All right, so 80, right? You have to let these ones grow. And if this stop loss is way too much, then you're sizing in too much for you. Flag in the anchor. Flag in the anchor. This is where we're playing Keisha. I'm like, fuck me, Keisha. Just go down. Why aren't you going down? What the fuck are you doing? I don't know. But look what is happening. Sideways. End of day. After market. So technically, we should have never fucking lost it all right here. I just think that today's losing loss kind of fucked their heads up a little bit, right? And then it just trails sideways. But we still would have closed out for $100. Now look at that. One account, I'm up $1,608. And you know why it's not up $5,000? Because it doesn't move here. I sized too high and I made it a huge loss. 340s. So there you go.